Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your Motorola Signature. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and clean your microphone port with a non-metallic tool. So we have it at the bottom. Now we definitely want to make sure that it's clean, because every dust that's inside of it, any debris or basically anything that could have gotten in there, it can stop your microphone from working. So it can block it completely, and that's why someone just can't hear you. Now you can try and clean it with a non-metallic tool. Basically, I recommend a soft brush for it is the best choice. Now what you guys want to do next is test your voice. So the way I like to do it is simply by going into the apps and go to the recorder. So here, as you guys can see, let's start recording and make sure that we allow the recorder to use our microphone. Now let's go over and start the recording. As you guys can see, it is definitely working, and yeah, I can just stop talking and those waves just won't move. So yes, this is how we can check if our microphone is working. Now I'll delete it, and what we want to do next is restart our phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time until you see this menu pop up. Go over and click restart. Now the phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do is go over and update your software to fix any mic glitches. So here we're gonna check if we have any software updates available. So open up the settings and scroll a bit down until you see system updates. Now click on check for updates, and as you guys can see, it's finishing an update now, so that means my device was completely updated. But if yours wasn't and you have a button to actually download and install the newest version, then make sure to do that, because it can fix your microphone not working problem. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.